Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Pretty Accomplished, and this is a quick video just talking about my hair. I told you guys that when I got my sew-in back in, I would let you guys know what was up and how it looked. If you saw any of my previous videos with my hair out, you'll probably be like, it looks the same. This hair is actually the same length as my real hair for the most part, so it looks very natural. This is Halle's Curl Creole Wavy in 16 inches. To me it's kind of short, but I don't know. I thought it was going to be longer, but it ended up working out well because it is very natural looking. It blends very well with my texture. I like the hair. It's only been 3 days and I haven't had any issues with the hair. I did a lot of research before I decided to get the hair, and most people had good things to say about it. I didn't find a lot of reviews on the Creole Wavy though, so I guess my video will help some other people, because when I was looking I couldn't find anything. I think I found one video on the Creole Wavy on YouTube. So yeah, like the hair. I left most of my hair out in the front. I always do that because I believe it makes it just look so much more natural. So over here, all of this is my hair. And on this side, pretty much this whole front piece that's hanging like that is my hair. And it blends in very well. I just two-strand twist the sides of my hair at night, take the twist out, and I mean, it works out. I haven't put a lot of product in this hair tonight. I will be spritzing the hair down with water, glycerin, and Dove conditioner. Dove was one of the conditioners that they recommended using on this hair. They also recommended using Carefree Curl or whatever. So I'll get some of that at some point and use that throughout the time that I have the hair in. I will keep this hair in at a minimum 2 months, maximum 3. I normally go 3 with my sew-ins, but it just depends this time what I decide to do, but I may do 3. I will say that when I take this out, I will have to get my ends trimmed, like have to. My ends are okay considering they haven't been trimmed thoroughly in a very long time, but it is going to be time to get them trimmed, and I'm prepared to take like an inch off all the way around, an inch. And that's not a big deal to me. I don't mind cutting my hair. I want my ends to look very healthy, and I have no problem getting them chopped. Secondly, I will keep you guys updated on how this hair works out. I love it now. In a week I may have a different story to tell, but I don't think so. Most people gave this hair a lot of good reviews. I like the hair. Don't really like the customer service I received from Halle's Curls, so I honestly can't say if I will order from them again, but the hair quality is pretty nice. This is probably the most expensive hair I have bought, or the best quality hair I have purchased. I've tried beauty supply hair, like, you know, the Remy, Saga, whatever. I've tried those. I tried another one like Indian water or something. I wasn't feeling that. But this is by far probably the most expensive or the highest quality of hair I've had. So I'm assuming that it should perform better than the other hair that I've tried. And if I can keep cheap hair in for 3 months, this should be able to hold up for 3 months. I treat this like I would treat my real hair. The first night I had it in, I put it in 4 big twists. I would twist my real hair, so I'm twisting this too. Last night I put it in I just pulled it back and put it in a bun, a loose bun, and I wrapped it up with a silk scarf. So basically the same way I maintain my real hair is how I'm going to treat this hair, to make sure that I get the longevity that I want and the desired look. This hair is very versatile. The one video I found on the YT, hers looked totally different from mine. I styled mine different. This was the result of the 4 chunky twists, so it has a more, you know, big, full, voluminous look. However, when you wet the hair and you kind of do the scrunching method, the hair does almost look like a slightly different curl. It becomes more curly versus wavy. So I like the versatility of the hair, and I will play around with different hairstyles. I'm trying to see everything I covered. I did get this hair on sale. I ordered it the day after Christmas, and I got it fairly quickly. Trying to see if there's anything else I'm missing. I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.